My name is Go, here for another construction update at Ark Residences. Oh no, you've got me on the audio. No, not again. November has been another exciting month here at Ark Residences Toowong. Basement excavation is about 50% complete, the waterproofing is going in, and the steel continues to be installed. Looking ahead, we'll be finalising some of the finer details on the project off-site, while Gray continue the construction activities on-site. Happy to announce that 6 months into the build, we remain on track. That's been another construction update here at Ark Residences Toowong.